editing pipe routes with grips. Make sure that you have your dynamic mode turned on, and we'll go ahead and put a piece of pipe out here. Let's go ahead, we'll route pipe staying in the same spec that we're in. I'm just going to draw a random length of pipe. Now when I select this pipe here, you're going to see grips pop up all over. Now we've mentioned before you have grips that you can actually continue the pipe routing. You can either type it in dynamically or pull it in the direction that you want to go. If you choose to turn, it'll add those fittings in for you automatically. Now, we have another grip that we can do. Whenever we actually click on the pipe, we can route from there, and we can use this plus sign here, and that's going to allow us to continue pipe routing from the middle of the pipe. And if you notice, it'll automatically put that T in there for you. And we can still use the move part grip, and we can move that down a bit, either dynamically or just physically moving it. Now, you'll also notice that you have an arrow here that is a inline flip. And you're not going to see much difference when you do it with a T. But if it were a valve or another part, you may see a difference whenever you do that. You can also, when you select this T right here, if you notice, you're going to have an arrow. Anytime you see an arrow, that's usually a substitution. So you can substitute with another part that you have in your spec. Kind of important to remember, it must be in the spec already to be able to use it. So if we want to change it to another type of T, if I click that on, it's going to go ahead and switch to that T. Now, you should also have an arrow that's going to be used for elevation. So you can change your pipe elevation from here, and I can either change it in general, or I can go ahead and use my tab key to circle through. Let's say I know where my center of pipe needs to be, so I can use my tab key to cycle through there and say, well, let me get my center of pipe at 5 feet, and it'll go ahead and it'll move that for you.